In the month of July, I announced the Facebook challenge and we just got a winner. Woo! Did you hear about it? Well, I want to present the winner to you in this video, and maybe in the coming weeks we will announce another challenge. I also like to thank Banggood for the 25% discount on the solar panel reviewed on this channel. If you have not seen that video, the links are in the description box. Now to the winner. Meet Ejiro Okporo, a student in Delta State of Nigeria. He made a Facebook post about the solar panel video and got the highest share, and with this, he won a drone. I will try to review this drone and go through some specifics. Hopefully, it will be helpful for someone, including the winner, to know what to do exactly when he has his prize. The drone seems to be a beginner kind of drone without much features other than a camera, set of props mounted and extras, very lightweighted, landing gear, and it came in semi-knockdown. You know what I mean. You will have to fix the camera, landing gear and some blade protector so as not to damage the props easily. The drone may not be used for professional purposes as I have stated, but can be very useful for learning purposes. You can easily learn how to pilot the drone without any fear, and that is what I am going to do with mine in this video. After assembling all necessary parts like the landing gear, the camera and the blade or props protector, then it is turned on just for the first time. The remote control requires 2 AA size battery to function. Well, let's take it for some test flights. After some little rituals called calibration, the drone is right in the air.
just scratched my knee. It's still in one piece. I will assume there is a little fault. There's a little fault. This propeller seems to wobble. This one in particular. So probably that's why it's getting very difficult to control. So I don't even know. Look at that. Like the way it's done. It's like, see? It's not straight as it ought to. And that could be responsible for this control that is not so straightforward. Well, I think that's enough. That wobble is actually very difficult. It's making it difficult to control. It's always moving backward, so I'm going to try it with the camera and see what the production looks like. For now, let's just leave it at this. This is what you get for buying a Chinese product, right?
Well guys, for some contents like this and other challenges where you can win some gifts, please consider subscribing to this channel. If you benefit anything from this video, please like it as a reward for the effort and share if time permits. I will see you in another video.